Welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Alex. Please subscribe. I post daily yoga videos. This is a 10-minute full body stretch. Let's begin at the top of your mat, standing. Create good posture. Stand evenly between both feet. Bring your awareness to the breath, to the present moment. Arrive. Inhale. Reach your arms overhead. Lift up. Exhale. Bend the knees. Forward fold over the legs. Halfway lift. Roll the shoulders back. And from this look-up position, set your hands down and step back to a plank pose. Lower all the way down to the mat. Rest your forehead on your left hand and pull the right foot in for a quad stretch. Switch sides. Press your hips forward and down. Release. Press up to a tabletop. Let's do one cat-cow. Inhale, arch the back, look forward. Exhale, pull in the core, round the spine. Neutral spine, tuck the toes, hover the knees, and press up and back to downward facing dog. Feet are hip width, hands shoulder width. We can pedal this out, bending one knee at a time as you press down the opposite heel. And then find some stillness. Press the heels toward the mat, shoulders away from the ears. Breathe. Softly bend the knees, look up between the hands, and walk to the top of your mat. Relax over both legs. Round up to standing. Palms touch. Turn to face the long edge of your mat. Separate your feet about hip width, or no, more than that. And fold forward, hands to hips. Hold opposite elbows, sway side to side. And inhale, halfway lift, long flat back. Leave your right hand down, feet flat, twist open to the left. Use your core. Switch, left hand down, right arm opens. Right hand back down. We're going to walk over to the left foot. Hands frame the left foot, lift onto the toes of the back foot, and find a lunge. Tall on the toes of your back foot, left knee is over the ankle. Leave the toes tucked. Inhale, lower the right knee. Draw the shoulders back. Long exhale. Try to press both legs straight, pyramid pose. Lunge. Lunge twist. Right hand down, left arm opens up. Left hand down inside of the left foot so that we can walk back to center. Relax over both legs. Halfway lift. Let's twist open to the left. Right hand stays down, left arm opens. And switch. Left hand down, right arm reaches. Keep the whole arm in view. Right hand down. Walk over to the right foot and set up a lunge. Lift onto the toes of the back foot. Bend the right knee. Lower the left knee. Shoulders draw back. Long exhale. Press the legs straight if you can. Back to a lunge, back knee stays lifted, lunge twist. Left hand down, right arm up. Right hand down, step to the top of your mat and relax over both legs. Round up to standing. Inhale, arms above the head. Seal the palms, look up at them, breathe in again. Long exhale, forward fold. Bend the knees, sit all the way down. Bring the soles of your feet together, hold on to the outsides of your feet, sit up tall. And forward over your legs. Sit up. Place your feet on the mat, hands behind you, reverse, tabletop. Press down and lift. The head can open, the neck can go back if that's okay with you. And sit down, extend your legs out in front of you, sit up tall, and fold forward over the legs. And sit up. Let's face the long edge of your mat. Left foot in, right foot out. And sit up tall evenly. Left arm is going to reach up and over for a side body stretch. Lift up. Bring your arm side to side. Rotate toward the right leg. Right hand on the mat beside you. Fingertips. Reach over and across with your left hand for the outside of the ankle, maybe the pinky edge, and you're going to pull with the left, press down with the right to twist. Lift up, switch it out, right foot in, left leg out, and the right arm reaches up and over. Nice long reach. Try not to lean forward. I want to open up the side. And sit up. Arms side to side. Rotate to the left leg. When you get to the end, left hand down next to you. Right arm over and across. Pull with the right hand. Press with the left to twist. And release. Bring your left foot in. Sit up comfortably, sit up tall. Relax your shoulders down and away from the ears, and let's lower the right ear toward the right shoulder. And switch. And lift up. Look over the right shoulder. Try not to tilt the head or bring the left shoulder with you. Switch sides. Back to center, lift the chin. And lower the chin. Half or full circles in both directions. And then sit up tall. Let's bring the palms to touch. Closing breath, inhale, arms reach out and wide overhead. Breathe in a little extra at the top. Long exhale, lower the hands down. Thank you for joining me. Let me know if you enjoyed this with a like, a comment, a subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Namaste. It's good. Isn't it grand? Isn't it great? Isn't it swell? Isn't it done?